Well, hello. I was going to do a walk around video before I left the yard, but I didn't get a chance to because Mr. Truck Driver was faster than I thought. But here is the story. We're at Olympic Park. We were going to go into that coach area there and load the truck up, but ACDC are on again tonight, so they've got it closed off. So what we're going to do is load up on the street, and this baby's going home. I just drove it around the corner. It's surprisingly not leaking, not stinky, not smoking. So we're going onto the back of that, and then I'm going to follow him home to Taree. I'm going to stay up there a couple of days. Sorry about the bum crack. Gee, that is a bum crack. And yeah, have a couple of days up home. I'll be back here in Sydney and back at work on Friday. But Merlin is going home. I didn't trust myself to drive it on the truck. The last time this was on a truck. Hey?
It probably will scrape a little bit, maybe. That's why I've got the boards. If you just want to keep
At the back, it's got skids,
yeah.
So yep. She scraped a little bit, all right. Geez, these guys are good, aren't they? You're about a foot over. You good there? Just, is it back in neutral?
Yep.
Big red button. Engine stop.
That's it.
More on that leak there. It seems to be slowing down, but concerning me. Coming out of a couple of spots. I don't know what it could be. It's raw fuel though. Everything looks okay. The side of the engine, it's just underneath it here. The joy of old vehicles. Let's hope it just calms down. It seems to be slowing down. And my little Merlin's left a forever mark on Edwin Fleck Boulevard in Sydney Olympic Park, across the road from Accor Stadium, where ACDC are playing tonight. Hence all the trucks, and hence the fact that that's closed off and we couldn't get in. She's just about ready to go. There she goes. See you at the other end. Oops. False start. What happened? I don't know if you can see there. I've put a bit of tape over the number plate because I've heard people getting towed and their number plate gets red. they get charged a toll, and then they have to pay the toll for the tow truck as well. So better to be safe than sorry. I can't read it now. Take two. That leak has calmed down, so I don't know what that was all about. Maybe a soft hose or something. We'll have a look at that at the other end. See ya in Taree. Well, we'll see you along the way, but bye for now. Have a safe journey. Get there in one piece. Got a funny feeling it's unprimed itself with that diesel leak. I'm really worried it won't start. Gonna go and check that now. Luckily there's skids on it. She made it. She started. She's still running. Very happy. Now I've got to pay the man. Well, I made it. Looks like we might be in for a storm, but if I walk down to the cars, you might see, oh, hello there. Welcome to your new home. We made it today. That there is going to be my new on-air studio. More on that later. Remember I teased you with a, what do you reckon that is? That's what that is. It's going to be moved. It's just been dumped there for the moment. I've got a lot of work planned on that. But there she is. This will be a temporary home. Could end up being more than temporary, I don't know. We've got to find sheds and things, what's going to work best. But a little bit of an overhang at the back here, but it fits right up here on this mound. And I can even get underneath the engine there if I need to. So there's a bit more of that. Air conditioner works too. So we did actually collect a little bit of gravel down the road coming off the truck. No dramas at all. All made it in one piece. I lost one little bit, and I'll show you. It was just a trim off the near side mirror. We had the mirrors tucked in, but I mean, he was hopping along. He had the hammer down. He was northbound and down all right. Took me a while to catch him. But there's a mirror. See, the mirrors have that, I need to redo that one. It's that grey material. I lost it on this side. So I've got more of it. I can just cut a new piece. It's still sticky, but it wasn't strong enough. So let's have a look inside. Every seat paid its way. Almost every seat's got junk, boxes, everything, tools. Saves me money on removalists for when I move up here after Christmas. So everything survived, nothing slid off the seats. It's all good. And she's home. And I've got a blowfly. Yay. Well, the fly didn't survive the night. It's gone. It's one of those awful horse flies, march flies, big bloody things that latch onto you. You don't realise they're biting you until you feel the sting. By then they've sucked enough blood out of you that they leave, and they leave you with a welt that itches for about a week. So good riddance to bad rubbish for you, fly. I was going to take this for a little pootle up and down our dirt road today, but honestly, it is 37, 38 degrees here today. Inside this thing is like an oven right now. We had a storm last night, lost power for about 4 hours. There's a good chance it might happen again tonight. So I'll leave everything as it is. I'll leave these boxes and things in here. I don't think there's anything that the heat can damage in here right now. I have to go back to Sydney tomorrow and back to work on Friday. So when I get back from my 3-week Christmas break, I can do some pootling then and clean, start to find homes for what's in the boxes, basically. And I don't know if I turn you around, there is the little project that I'll start on when I come home for Christmas as well. That is going to be my new studio, my new home studio. There's lots to do in there as well. For now though, the Merlin is safely up here in Taree. The Atlantean is coming in January. We're going to drive that, me and a bunch of friends, so that'll be a fun video as well. Until then, thank you very much for watching. I've got to get out of here. It is so hot. I've probably got a sweat mustache, have I? No beer either. It's a little bit early in the day. So thanks for watching all the way to the end. Like and subscribe. Please comment. I try and respond to all the comments. And I'll catch you next time on Steve Stuff.